Hi everybody. This is going to be a very quick unboxing because I have to get to work in 10 minutes. But I was really happy to have this come in yesterday, and it is my Crochet Society subscription box. By the way, for those who wonder why I look to the right, I've got to mirror my camera, my phone, to my television screen. And that allows me to know if I'm in frame. So that's why. So this is a wonderful subscription box, and it's usually jam-packed. One of the things I love about it, it comes in very little packaging, and it has a Velcro closure. And what that does for you is it makes it, you can keep your project in here. You don't have to worry about tape and stuff, and it'll stay closed. So it always comes beautifully packed like this. It says crochet is my happy place. And I literally have, sorry, don't need to use that way. I have really not unboxed this at all. So let us start. There we go. And what do we have this month? The woman who does this subscription is very much into arumagari, so we've always got stuffing in every package and tissue dots, just because that's fun. So here's what it looks like inside. Sorry, what it looks like inside. So this is the stuffing. Hoo-hoo, my favorite color yarn. So we have 2 yarns, and they are cotton soft yarns, so they're cotton yarns. Every month we get an individual crochet hook, and what I really like is this one goes with the yarn. This one is a, of course I can't see anything because of the light on my camera, 4mm. And then there are all these other things in the box. So what do we have first? We have a very cute little stitch marker, which would be cuter if you could see the front of it. Very cute stitch marker. This woman is a woman after my own heart. So we also have we always get little things for the arumagari. I'm sorry, I don't do it, so I'm never really sure how to pronounce it. It's those little stuffed animals. But we always get things so that you can make eyes, and they're safe for children. But when I was really gonna just get rid of all the dots. I kind of really love the dots. It's all purple this month. So this is a project tracker pad, and we got a purple pencil, purple pen. That's a pen, E. So, you know, the project, the hook size, what kind of yarn you're doing, and you can put on, you could, if you're like me and you can lose track of rows, you can write out the pattern that you're following and then check off as you do each row. I like that. And it is on a backer, and crochet abbreviations are on the back. I find this to be a most thoughtfully organized and curated subscription box. I really do. We always get this Crochet is my happy place. And on the back is the guide to UK crochet terms, because this is from the UK, and so it gives you what a UK stitch is called and what it's called in the US. For instance, what we call a double crochet in the US, in UK they call it a treble crochet. So there's that. I'm not going to show this, but the code, because that's not right. But every month we get an exclusive video tutorial on the projects that are in the box. Oh, so nice, especially for small, like if you're doing something for children, or if you want a makeup bag, any kind of little bag. This is a beautiful little, clear on one side, not on the other, Crochet Society bag. I really like that. Let's see, hooked. And the last thing in the box is the booklet. And this is a good booklet, as you can see. This is not a cheap little booklet. And in here, she's talking about going for a different kind of, I may have to try the arumagari. I may have to try the little animal. I don't know. All these patterns are beautiful. So you got a little unicorn, a white and lavender unicorn, and a white and lavender doily, which is also beautiful, and a cowl. There's a cow. Yeah, I'm not going to put cowl right there. This is, I'm sorry, I call this a doily, which you could use it as a doily, but this is what's known as a mandala. And it's a complex, but maybe not difficult pattern, I hope. We have interviews with the designers. There's that cowl. It's really pretty. Wow. I am not sure what I'm going to make. And then you get it tells you what's in the box. And it tells you about the yarn. And I have always loved the palette that Bella Coco uses. That is who does this. Bella Coco is her channel. And so we have, freaking cute. We have the patterns for everything. And what else do we have in here? An explanation of a mandala, which I think is a great idea. And then the pattern for the mandala, which is a diagram pattern. Maybe this would be a good excuse for me to finally learn how to follow one of them, because it's really beautiful. And then she showcases projects that other people have done from her other boxes. Anyway, I really love this. It is a little more expensive to get in the US than it is in the UK. There's always more than $30 inside every box, or 30 pounds, excuse me, or 30 euros. 30 euros. I'm not quite sure. I will have to put it in the description box what I paid for it. But it's another beautiful, beautiful curated box with her kind of, so should I say, signature lovely colors. I'm just going to put some yarn in here and a crochet hook. And I am going to put the stitch, that's not the stitch marker, the stitch marker in. And that pretty much is what you need for the project, plus a pattern. Anyway, I'm very happy. I always am very happy with this. And so Bella Coco, you're doing just a beautiful job with this subscription box. I think I may have only signed up for 3 months, and this is the 3rd box. I may need to sign up for longer. I'm really happy with it. So thank you. And friends, look to find the light within yourself. It makes it easier to find the light in others. Please have a lovely day or night or week or whenever we shall speak again. Thank you. Bye.